In this video, I'm going to show you how to export business listings from Google Local to Excel. As an example, we will be exporting dentist business listings. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract dentist business listings from Google Local to Excel, we'll use the Google Local Business Finder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Google Local Business Finder. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste your keyword, for example, dentist. Enter your location, for example, Wilmington. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Google Local Business listings to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of dentist business listings including titles, descriptions, websites, phones, and more. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Google Local Business Finder and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.